Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and in this video you're going to get 2 for 1, and that's because my March box arrived after the 20th of the month. And that's a bit late for me, right? So I didn't have enough time to record a video and edit it and turn it around and get it out there for you guys. So I decided to wait until my April box came, and then at that point in time, I would give you 2 for 1. So I decided that that's going to be the general rule. If I receive my BoxyCharm box before the 20th of the month, I'll be certain to get the BoxyCharm video up for that specific month. And if it comes in any later than that, then I'll catch you guys up the next month in the same manner that I'm doing right now. Good? I think we're good. All right, so for the month of March, the theme for the March box was a game changer. So really cute theme card. And the first item that we're going to talk about that came in my March premium BoxyCharm box is from Keys Skincare, and this is their Skin Transformation Cream, fragrance free with bakuchiol. I guess I'm saying that correct. This is one of the products from the Alicia Keys skincare line. So I was super shocked to see that in a BoxyCharm box, but here it is, and look at the packaging on this, would you? This is a gorgeous package. This is a glass container as well, and inside we've got a little protective cap on there, and there it is, a nice cream inside. And the info card states, a fragrance-free hydrating and moisturizing face cream that helps reveal plumped and radiant looking skin with bakuchiol. I'm probably slaughtering that word, but it's bakuchiol, malachite, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. And the retail cost is $30. I have wanted to try some of the skincare products from Alicia Keys, and it seems like it's got some pretty complicated ingredients in it. Some of these ingredients I've never heard of, but I can't wait to try it out. The Keys brand is new to BoxyCharm, and this is the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream, and the retail cost is $30. This next item is from Aether Beauty. That's A-T-H-R Beauty. I think we got an eyeshadow palette from them in one of my previous premium BoxyCharm boxes not too long ago. But this is their Big Bang Mascara, and this is what the packaging looks like. And the info card states, the ultimate lash maximizing black diamond infused mascara that truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. This is a typical type of mascara wand. So this is in black, and it's from Aether Beauty. And again, this is the Big Bang Mascara, and the retail cost is $28. This next item is from the new company, and this is the Peel All-in-One Serum. What does that mean? This says peel, but this looks like this is a liquid. So let's take a look and see. So this is what the container looks like. Very interesting. And the info card states, this is a single daily dose of high potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. Combining the best of clinical and natural, it delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. That's really interesting because I do know that when it comes to our skincare, we really have to be careful when we are layering products because, for example, we may be using some type of toner that has maybe an AHA or BHA component in it, and then maybe we are following up with a moisturizer or a serum, and that too can have either an AHA or BHA type of acid component in it as well, and combining those two can potentially be too much for our skin. So that's really interesting that they've got a combination of products in here, and there's a perfect chemical balance that's been considered for this product. So very interesting. Can't wait to try it out. Again, this is from the new company, that's NUE Company, and this is the Peel All-in-One Serum, and the retail cost is $85. This next item is from Ciate London, and this is the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. So this is a primer from Ciate London We've gotten some things from Haute London in our premium boxes before, if not of the premium box, for sure in the base box. And this is what this primer looks like. And the info card states, prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application. With a cushiony texture, this primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish. Formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. I like primers, you guys. I know everyone doesn't really use a primer, and that's okay, but I like using them. This one does have a safety seal on it, if you can see that. Yes, you can see that safety seal there. So I'm not going to pop it open to show you guys what it looks like, because I want to be able to retain as much shelf life from this product as possible while I'm working through some of my other primers. But yeah, this is from Haute London. This is the Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer, and it is $32. This next item is from Nabla, and this is the Dreamy Creamy Liquid Lipstick. And this looks to be in the shade called Adam's Dream. And this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. The info card states, Dreamy Creamy is the perfect dream, a liquid lipstick with a luminous finish and a rich and creamy texture. The adherent and hyperpigmented formula plumps up the lips with long-lasting comfort. This is also a brand that is new to BoxyCharm. This is a really pretty color. Let's see what this looks like. We'll do a little swatch right here. And there it is. Very pretty. It is indeed creamy. I think I'm going to like this quite a bit. Again, this is from Nabla. This is the Dreamy Creamy Liquid Lipstick, and the retail cost is $16. And the last item to come in my premium box for the month of March is from Grace and Stella, and this is Everything is Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Mask. I got another eye mask. I love the eye mask, you guys. I love using them in my under eyes. I think they do what they come to do. I like using them. And let's see. I don't want to open this package up because I am still working through my collagen pads that I got from Dew of the Gods from one of my premium boxes not too long ago. You guys have seen me use those and heard me talk about those. But let's see. The info card states, formulated with palmitoyl tripeptide 5 to stimulate and boost collagen production, fructose to attract and retain moisture in the skin, and horse chestnut to maintain healthy blood circulation and strengthen capillaries. By Dark Circles is what it says. These eye masks are the key to improving skin texture and firmness. That sounds really, really good. That sounds like something that I need. I cannot wait to use these, you guys. So be on the lookout for these in some future videos. You guys will see these as part of my makeup prep step. So yeah, this is from Grace and Stella. Everything is Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Masks, and the retail cost is $24. So as usual, I have totaled up the cost of all of the items that came in my March premium box from BoxyCharm, and the total is $215. You guys know that I did not pay $215 for my premium box from BoxyCharm. I actually pay a monthly subscription cost of $39.99, and I think that it is well worth it, considering that for $39.99 I've gotten $215 worth of products that I can try out from brands that I've heard of and from some brands that I have not heard of. So it's exciting. I love getting my BoxyCharm boxes, and I'm super glad to have gotten my March box. So let's move on to the April box. All right, and for my April premium box, the first item we're going to talk about is from Ofra Cosmetics, and it is the On The Glow Pro Palette. You guys, I'm so disappointed about this because I went out to the BoxyCharm website and I purchased this about maybe 2 or 3 months ago, whenever the last Luxe box came, which was, I think that was in December. Or was it in March? I'm not sure. I think it was in December is when I actually picked this up. But I was so bummed out that I wasn't going to get a Luxe box, and I found out this was going to be in a Luxe box. So I went out to the BoxyCharm website and I actually purchased it, because you guys can go to the BoxyCharm website and you can purchase some of the individual items that have come in previous month's boxes if you'd like to do that, and you'll still get them at a discounted price. You don't necessarily have to purchase the whole box. You can just purchase the specific items that you're interested in. So this was one of those specific items that I was interested in. So I did purchase it standalone, but this is what this looks like. It is so pretty. I have not filmed a video yet using this, but this is what she looks like. She is absolutely gorgeous. I really, really like this glow palette. And the info card states, glow like you mean it. The ultimate tool for creating a bronzed glow, this stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones. Whether you are a makeup artist on the go or a beauty enthusiast who loves a variety, this palette is all you need for a glam that shines AM to PM. This was a really high ticket item that came in this box, and it is gorgeous. It is really, really pretty. And this is the On the Glow Pro palette from Haute Cosmetics. And the retail cost is $149. This next item is from Herbivore Botanicals, and it is the, here's this word again, or here's this ingredient again. Bakuchiol Retinol Alternative Smoothing Cream. Bakuchiol. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. You know what? We're going to look that up because I need to know what that is. What is bakuchiol? It seems like there's quite a bit of hype around that particular ingredient in skincare here lately, but this is what this looks like. I really do like the products that come from Herbivore. I have purchased from Herbivore myself. I purchased their emerald oil and really love that oil. I used all of it, but I had not yet made a repurchase of that product. But the info card states that this is a naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and visibly fights signs of aging without synthetics or irritating effects. Gentle enough for most sensitive skin types, Bakuchiol supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effect. So, you know what? I want to know, what is Bakuchiol? And am I saying that right? I'm probably slaughtering that word. But we need to find out what this is. Because, again, this is the second product that we've seen just in this video that has these ingredients, or has this specific ingredient. All right. So, Bakuchiol, Bakuchiol, stimulates skin cell turnover, smooths fine lines and wrinkles, and improves skin tone and texture. Okay. It's also an antioxidant, meaning it can provide some protection from free radicals. One of the things that people ask about Bakuchiol is it better than retinol? And there were some studies that were done in 2018, and the results were indeed promising. The study found no significant difference in the efficacy of Bakuchiol versus retinol. It did, however, find significantly less irritation reported in the Bakuchiol group. Okay, that's interesting. So glad to have this. Came in the premium box for the month of April. This is from Herbivore Botanicals, and this is their Bakuchiol Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum, and the retail cost is $54. This next item is from Murad, and this is the Skin Smoothing Polish. And this is what the actual packaging looks like. And it says, made with gentle buffing beads, this scrub gets rid of dead skin cells, rough patches, and build up in your pores for a complexion that's smooth, soft, and radiant. It's the ideal exfoliator for oily, combination, or acne-prone skin. This also has the safety seal on it, which is super nice to know that the products that are coming from BoxyCharm have safety seals on them, so there's no worry about contamination. So I wonder, what is the recommended frequency of use on this? Does it say? Yes, it does. It says massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry, use 2 to 3 times weekly, avoid contact with eyes. This is going to be a good addition into my skincare routine. I have been using some exfoliating pads from Neogen, and they've been working really well, but I am almost out of those. So I am looking for another gentle exfoliant to replace the Neogen pads, and this just may be it. So yeah, I'll be sure to come back if I try this out and let you guys know what I think about it. So again, this is from Murad. This is the Skin Smoothing Polish, and it is $39. This next item is from Bloom Effects, and it's the Tulip Do Mist. What is this? Is this for hair or is this for skin? What is this? What is this? What are you? Let's see. The info card states okay, this is a face mist. A multitasking face mist that delivers a brightening boost of antioxidants, plant extracts, and vitamin B3, C, D, and E to revitalize, refresh, and energize. It's designed to work as a humectant to prevent moisture loss, plus it's formulated with environmentally conscious BOV technology, a first of its kind for clean beauty. Perfect on bare skin, over makeup, or throughout the day as an awakening skin pick-me-up. So this is another face spray. You can use it as a setting mist over your makeup. You can use it if you're not wearing makeup. This would remind me of the Watermelon Glow Mist that comes from Glow Recipe. I use that with makeup. I use that without makeup. And again, I'm about to run out of that. So it's good that I have this because I'd be looking for a replacement. So again, this is from Bloom Effect. This is the Tulip Do Mist, and the retail cost is $34. The next item we're going to talk about is from My Beauty brand, and this is Buy Me Black Liquid Liner. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's either Buy Me or Bime Black Liquid Eyeliner. Let's see, I hope this is a matte black liquid eyeliner. I don't like a glossy or shiny liquid eyeliner. I like them to be matte. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it's got this type of pen, felt pen type of applicator or tip on it. Glides on really smoothly. I hope that's not going to dry down with a sheen or gloss to it, but we'll let that dry down. The info card states, your new Holy Grail product created for both eyeliner expert and winged eye novice. The flexible tip combined with highly pigmented smudge-proof color guarantees a long-lasting and intensely defined look. This is the black liquid liner from My Beauty brand, and the retail cost is $20. All right, and the last item that we're going to talk about that came in my April premium box from BoxyCharm is another product from Nabla. This is actually another lip product, and this is their Shine Theory lip gloss. This is really cute packaging. I like that. The outer packaging is really cute. I'm not going to open this because I think that I'm going to put this in my giveaway box, but the info card states, thanks to its thin and ultra mirrored formula, Nabla Shine Theory lip gloss gives extraordinary shine to your lips. The finish is wet, multi-dimensional, super luminous, and non-sticky. It's also perfect as a top coat. So this looks to be a really pretty lip gloss. What shade is this, or what color is this? This is in the shade Renaissance. So I am going to be doing a giveaway here pretty soon, so this will definitely be in the giveaway box. And the retail cost is $15. So as usual, I totaled up the cost of all the items that came in my premium box from BoxyCharm for the month of April, and the cost is $311. So I got 6 products and they all totaled $311. You guys, it's a good deal. I have cut back on some of my BoxyCharm boxes because you guys know at one point I was getting a base box, a premium box, and a luxe box. I'm no longer getting the base box and the luxe box, but I am going to continue forward with the premium box. As you guys have heard me say before, it's an awesome opportunity to be able to try out products from brands that you've heard of and brands that you have not not heard of. So I'm going to leave a link below. If you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, feel free to use that link, or you can go directly to the BoxyCharm website. That's www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there and you can start receiving your own box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.